A pimp, not a simp. A pimp, not a simp. A pimp, not a simp. We eat so many shrimp. I got iodine partners.
My bitch a choosy lover, never fuck without a rubber. Never in the sheets like it on top of the cover. Money on the dresser, drive a compressor. Top notch hoes, get the most, not the lesser. Trash like the buck for $40 in the club. Fucking up the game, bitch, it gets no love. She be cross country, giving all that she got. 1,000 a pop, I'm pulling business off the lot. I smashed up the gray one, bought me a red. Every time we hit the parking lot, we turn head. Some hoes wanna choose, but them bitches too scary. Your bitch chose me, you ain't a pimp, you a fairy.
A pimp, not a simp. A pimp, not a simp. A pimp, not a simp. We eat so many shrimp. I got iodine partners.
Baby, you been rolling solo, time to get down with the team. The grass is greener on that other side. If you know what I mean, I show you shit you never seen. The 7 wonders of the world. And I can make you the 8th if you wanna be my girl. I say my girl, I don't mean my woman, that ain't my style. Need a real street stalker, walk a green mile. Piling up the paper on the dining room table, cause you able to realize I'm the truth and not a fable. Baby, rockin' what you say, well, keep that chiller on the rack. What I look like with some $1,000 shit up on my back. I'm $1 million man, they need $1 billion bitch. Put my pimpin' in your life, watch your daddy get rich. Easy as ABC, simple as 1, 2, 3. Get down with UGK, Pimp CBU with B. Cause what's a hoe with no pimp, and what's a pimp with no hoe? Don't be a lame, you know the game and how it goes. We try to get
Chose.
A pimp, not a
All right.
A pimp, not a simp. A pimp, not a simp. We eat so many shrimp. I got iodine partners.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? Happy Friday to all of you. Hope you had a good week and are ready for the weekend like I am. I thought I was gonna do the finale of Telling Lies, but I just like, maybe, we'll see. But I plan to post it Sunday. I think should be good. So tonight I felt like, let's just do an open bar like we usually do on Fridays. So tonight we are going to take a look at Mr. I think a fair amount of us have already seen from Van. I think Schrodinger premiered this earlier this week. But I want to get my own take into this of Mr. Quantum Syntax Grammar trying his hand at a traffic stop. We also have an interesting Karen court appearance that I found on the Reddit that is pretty interesting. And I also have an update on the Canadian sovereign citizen horse smuggler. Her counsel had written up something interesting recently as a result of the case. So tonight, no, Kit, it's not David Wynn Miller, but it is definitely an acolyte of Mr. David Wynn Miller. So this is gonna be this is gonna be interesting to see. And I'm gonna reset this. Let's do that. Let's get this party started. Tonight I am finishing up my Bonetoberfest, which I've been enjoying very much so. But I'm sorry, Cindy. I'm sorry. I apologize. That's my fault. If you guys don't know who the Canadian SovCit is, we can watch a little bit of that to get your memory refreshed, because it's always entertaining to see it too. I mean, come on. But let's go.
Hi everybody. The reason I'm pulling this guy over is because he has an obstructed license plate. He's not answering any of my questions. So now he's recording me. So I'm gonna get back to it.
Wait. Okay. Just hit me that he was just that the cop was speaking directly to the audience when he went live. That's great.
Do you have a driver's license on you?
I don't answer any questions, sir.
Okay.
What's the reason you're pulling me over?
I don't answer questions.
What's the reason you're pulling me over? Vehicle code 260. My grandfather was a highway patrol. You cannot go above what highway patrol follows. Vehicle code 260. They only recognize commercial vehicles.
So right off the bat, he's ignoring. He's cherry picking the California vehicle code. Van already called this out, but I was calling this out earlier myself. He's forgetting that there's also a vehicle code that I think Van said it was 450 something that deals specifically for registration of non-commercial vehicles, but he's cherry picking. He's ignoring that little tidbit.
I'm a traveler, sir, not a
Traveler.
driver.
Yes,
Great.
we're driving in the
No.
city of Walnut Creek, so...
No, I'm traveling, sir, from point A to point B.
Z2, start with Sergeant.
When you used, what was the emergency you pulled me over for? Where you used your lights?
Emergency.
Where was the emergency where you needed to turn your lights
It's
on?
not required.
Emergency lights.
What is the emergency, sir? I'm here to help you.
There is no emergency.
There is no emergency, so you created the emergency, and when you did that, you committed a felony.
Oh, I forgot to go try and look this up myself, but I don't know if I don't think the cop committed a felony there.
Okay, just wait.
Gonna. Where's my press X to doubt meme? Hang on, it's around here somewhere. Ah, balls. Ah, the moment's already passed. I failed. Production fail. All right, now I got it for a future. Hello, Nada, Omega, Deacon, Mandy, Kaylee, Baker, Wazoo, Liz, Iowa Hawk, Sean, KF Welsh, Jersey Fool, Aaron, Michael, Jassa.
Hey,
Liz.
can you grab me the spike strips from the back of my car in case he takes off?
I'm not taking off, sir.
I don't trust
Half
you.
my
You're not
family are in law
giving me
enforcement.
your Information, you're not...
Half his family's in law enforcement.
giving your identification.
Sir, you illegally pulled me over.
Trust you.
I don't
That's
trust
on
you.
having
I don't trust you.
You're going to identify yourself. I'm
Hey,
going to give
Justin.
a
See you later,
citation
Justin.
For the simple vehicle code violation that you've committed.
This is retarded.
For once,
The
we
ignition
agree.
is punched. VIN is blocked. Stand by with him. He's not free to go. You have a key? No, he's just inside.
We might be a SovCit citizen.
in case you guys didn't hear that, I have the volume up pretty high, but unfortunately we can't hear it very well. The cop was telling his partner that he might be a sovereign citizen.
I am not a sovereign citizen. You are the sovereign citizen, sir.
No, you.
Just because you don't have the knowledge, that's not my concern. A sovereign means you were born in this country. A citizen is someone who works for the government. You are the only sovereign citizen here.
No, that's not how that works.
When you are born in this country, you are a sovereign. When you work for the government, you are a citizen. You are the sovereign citizen, sir. I'm simply sovereign.
Very cool.
Alright, let me try from the beginning. Hey, I'm going to make this very simple, okay? So, we're doing full traffic enforcement tonight. Every time I pull somebody over, I tell them what I pulled them over for. After that, I identify I identify them, and then I issue them a citation depending on what the violation is. I have pulled you over for obstruction of your license plate. You also blocked your VIN number.
So that's why he was stopped. He obstructed his license plate and blocked his VIN number. So
In the state of California, when you are operating a motor vehicle, you need to identify yourself.
This is not a motor vehicle, sir. This is my automobile.
doesn't matter. Drink.
Okay.
I mean, you don't even need to see the. You don't even need the cop to take off his mask to tell he's smiling there. Uh-oh.
This is who I am.
So
This
I pulled you over. I tell them for obstruction of your license plate. You also blocked your VIN number. In the state of California, when you are operating a motor vehicle, you need to identify yourself.
This is not a motor vehicle, sir. This is my automobile.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Yes.
This is who I am.
Hey, you need to
And that is all the quantum syntax bullshit that we
Your vehicle,
all
sir. This
are
is my
well aware
automobile.
about.
Okay.
This is who I am.
I wish that the quality was better, but this is just like,
Hey, you
oh.
need to identify yourself to me. You need
This is who I am. I'm
Do you
telling
have a
you.
driver's license, sir?
I'm telling you who I am.
I need.
I am a federal judge, and you.
He's a
are in a
federal
shit house of
judge.
trouble.
Hey,
You don't take my
Don't you? Now he's pulling a Karen. Don't you know who I am?
documents.
you need to open the door.
No, I don't.
If you don't open the door, I'm going to break this window open. I'm going to pull you out.
Sir, you have no
I'm gonna give
authority.
you one more chance.
No authority.
Where do you get your post-bankruptcy
I
authorization?
need you to open this door, or I'm going to bust this
Post bankruptcy authorization.
window open. I'm going to pull you out of the car. This is your last chance. I need to make sure that this vehicle is in compliance. It's registered, and I need to make sure that you have a license.
Sir, you have no authority to even pull me over. What was the emergency, sir? Sir, I want a supervisor.
Supervisor.
Sir, what is the emergency I was pulled over for?
What do you guys think?
You were
From the
pulled over
passenger
for
side,
emergency.
open
You
it.
were pulled over.
So why did he use the lights?
Can I finish?
Yeah.
You were pulled over for a vehicle code violation. You don't have a license plate on your vehicle. You don't have any.
I don't need one, sir. Vehicle code 260. My grandfather was in the highway patrol for 25 years. You cannot go above what highway patrol follows.
For what state?
Vehicle code 260, state of California.
For what state?
California, sir.
What's his badge number?
I don't know his badge number, sir.
What office did he work out of?
Truckee, California. Have
Oh yeah.
to. It's for the simple reason I don't have to. I just told
Honestly, if his grandfather was a highway patrolman, oof.
you, I showed you exactly who I am. This has got my birth date. This has got my name. This is my live claim. I
Live life claim. That's a new one.
am not in your fraudulent system. Okay? This is the, huh?
I can't even read it. Can I see it?
You can see it, sir.
Can you pass it through the window?
No, I'm not. This is in my possession. This is not leaving my possession. This is my live claim. I get my authorization from the chief-federal-judge.
Chief- what was it?
Of the Supreme this is in my possession. This is not leaving my possession. This is my live claim. I get my authorization from the chief-federal-judge
Federal-judge
of the Supreme-court.
of the Supreme-court.
I don't even see your name on here.
Read it, sir. It's on there. I'm telling everyone that I'm showing them exactly who I am.
It's gibberish.
Where's your name?
It's on there, sir. Read it. If you can't read, that's not my concern. You asked to see my ID?
Hold on, stop yelling.
Sorry,
I'm gonna read
sir. Sorry, sir. I'm just a little upset because you committed a felony.
No, we did.
Yes, you did. There was no emergency, and when you turned on your lights to pull me over, you created the emergency. And when you did that, you committed a felony.
I don't know how they're able to make these claims with a straight face.
Sir, you can't trick me. Half my family are in law enforcement.
So now it's not just his grandfather who was a highway patrolman. Half his family is in law enforcement.
I'm not trying to trick you.
I'm very peaceful here, sir.
Doesn't seem like
You asked for, well, you committed a felony.
That's not a felony.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
No,
What
it's
was
not.
the emergency?
So your birth date is 2/6 of 1966.
Correct.
So his birth date's 2/6 of 66.
This has got all my information, sir. I am not in your fraudulent system.
2/6 of 66 is his birth date.
I'm not. I am. This is a live life claim. Okay, I'm claiming the live life. I'm not in the fraudulent birth certificate system, sir.
I'm not in the fraudulent birth certificate system. Got it.
I get my authorization from the chief, the full colon chief hyphen federal hyphen judge of the
Full colon chief hyphen federal hyphen judge
Supreme hyphen court.
of the Supreme hyphen court.
So what's your last name? Smith or Mitchell?
This is my ID.
Okay, do you have your registration
Yeah.
for your car?
Live
Sir,
claim is a new one for me.
I don't need registration. Vehicle code 260 of California Vehicle Code
And there was much rejoicing.
states that
Tase him in his
Highway Patrol does not recognize, only recognizes commercial vehicles. This is not a commercial vehicle. I am not making money on the highway. I'm traveling from point A to point B.
So what's your last name? I'm still trying to pick that up off.
Sir, I've showed you everything you need to see is right on that document. This is certified by the court. This is certified by the post
Who
office.
owns this vehicle?
This is my vehicle. This is not my vehicle, sir. This is my automobile.
Oh, gotcha.
So whose automobile is it?
It's mine.
Who owns it?
And who
I
are
own
you?
it.
Do you have any proof of ownership?
I don't answer any questions, sir.
Oh, now he stopped. How does that not make things less suspicious? When the police officer, you answer this question, but when the cop says, okay, do you actually have any proof of ownership? You clam up. Oh, I just... what the fuck? Why has he got to be like this? Well, I know why.
You don't have an ignition.
That's because the last time
Wait, he doesn't have... Wait. He doesn't have an ignition?
I got pulled over, the police stole my keys. I have the ignition right here.
Wait, is he... Did he hotwire his car so that he could keep driving it? I completely missed that part. What?
Ignition is it?
This is certified by the post
Who
office.
owns this vehicle?
Oh, it's certified by the post office, eh? Okay, good.
This is my vehicle. This is not my vehicle, sir. This is my automobile.
So whose automobile is it?
It's mine.
Who owns it?
I own it.
Do you have any proof of ownership?
I don't answer any questions, sir.
Okay. You don't have an ignition.
That's because the last time I got pulled over, the police stole my keys. I have the ignition right.
So, the police took his keys, meaning that they told him that you can't drive this anymore. And so, he still tried to drive off anyway by what? Either using a screwdriver or fucking hot wiring the car to get it back to driving, to turn it back on again. Because that's not adding more to the suspicion of the officers.
Here.
Okay. So what is your last name? I'm still trying to figure that out off the document.
Sir, all the information you need is right here on my live claim, sir. I'm being upfront. I'm not hiding anything.
Are you, though? Are you?
The number on my license plate, that is registered with the post office.
Why would the post office care about your fucking license plate? Don't answer that question. It's rhetorical. But, God, why?
Smith?
It's full colon Mitchell, full colon Smith.
Full colon Mitchell, full colon Smith.
Period. In textile. First letter capital, all rest lowercase. Okay? I use a full
Where were
colon.
you born in?
A full colon is a prepositional phrase. It
Oh my
makes my name a
God.
fact.
Stop!
Where were you born in?
I don't answer any questions, sir. I'm just itching,
I don't know
sir.
if you're carrying a gun or not.
Sir, I am not. I have 0 weapons.
I don't know that.
No, they don't know that. Everything you've been doing up until now has probably been raising a lot of flags with the officers. So you know what? They probably aren't going to trust your word that you don't have any weapons on you.
I just told you. So now you do. So now you have the knowledge.
And okay, I don't think the cops are going to take your word for it based on the surrounding circumstances, dude.
I honor and respect you, sir.
Do you, though?
I'm running him out with Mitchell Smith.
Mitchell Smith is not my name.
Oh.
I told you. It's full : Mitchell, full : Smith, period. In textile. First letter capital, all rest lowercase. I am not the all capital name. You are not tricking me into usury, sir.
Usury? Why are we all of a sudden talking about usury? Are the cops... The cops aren't trying to collect interest off of you right now. They just want your fucking name. What is happening right now? What? Why?
I'm very peaceful here. Full colon. It's the 2 little digital dots. It's a prepositional phrase. It makes my name a fact.
I've heard it. I've always pronounced it as usury. It could be usury, but I've pronounced it usury. I could be wrong. I don't know.
I'm not hiding. I'm showing you everything. I'm being upfront with you.
You're not.
Proof of ownership for the car.
No, you don't, sir. You had no authority to pull me over. Where do you get your post-bankruptcy authorization?
I don't have any post-bankruptcy.
You don't have any post-bankruptcy authorization. I just got your signed confession.
Signed confession? Signed what did he fucking sign? What are you talking about?
Thank you very much, sir.
What the
You don't have the authorization to pull me over. If there's any problems, you have all my information right here. I'm very upfront with you, sir, and I, you know.
How long have you owned this car?
For about, I would say, close to 2 years. I bought it.
How long?
About 2 years.
Sorry guys for the timeouts. The bot is a little bit fickle right now, so I apologize for that. I need to make some adjustments.
I'm registered with the post office. I am the only one on planet Earth that has that number on the back license plate.
Okay.
Who made that license plate?
I made it.
Glad you admit that you put in your own personal license plate. Awesome. Just fucking awesome, man. Oh, man. Yeah.
With that's what those are until the full colon chief hyphen federal judge of the Supreme hyphen court gave me the authorization to do so, sir.
All right, you good with him for a second?
You can put that. You don't have to hold it up.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Look, I'm filming you too.
Right there. See that? Film,
Yeah,
let's film
bet.
each other.
Thank you, sir.
Film.
Thank you, sir. You don't have to act silly,
You're
sir.
the only person I've ever heard that registers their car with the post office. You know that?
Yeah, I bet. It's a new one.
The only person I've ever talked to that does that.
How
are you so special to do that?
I'm telling you, I
I thought he didn't answer questions, but he's answering a question.
get my authorization from the full colon chief hyphen federal hyphen judge of the Supreme hyphen court.
The Supreme, huh? I missed. I got cars driving by me.
Okay,
It's hard for
okay.
me to hear.
I get my authorization from the full colon chief
Full colon
hyphen
chief.
federal hyphen judge of
Hyphen
the
judge,
Supreme
hyphen
hyphen
judge.
court.
At the Supreme hyphen court.
I use I use punctuation.
Yeah, clear. Yeah, you don't use it correctly, but yeah.
Have you ever been prescribed any medications, sir?
No, sir.
No.
Don't try that one with me, sir. It doesn't work. It doesn't work.
It doesn't really make
No,
sense.
because you don't have the knowledge. You don't have past a second grade reading and writing level or a fiction level of thinking. Can I prove that?
Unfortunately, that is where he ends. Nobody's been able to find any continuation of the discussion, but if I find it, I would absolutely have us watch it. So yeah, sadly, they end it right there. Sucks. It does suck. Okay, now.
Find the case of Nicoletti versus Stevens, case number 0672178.
Let's watch. Jazza, I promise to make it up for you with this one, at least a little bit. I think this will make up for it a bit, because the judge is awesome here, so don't worry. So in this situation, we have a woman who has filed a motion against her attorney. The problem is that the attorney has accused this woman, who was her former client, of stalking him. But she has filed a motion against the attorney. She's going to make a claim about a PPO, which is a personal protective order. But we're gonna find out. But that I'm setting the stage here, and we'll go ahead and play it.
May it please the court, Your Honor. Paul Nicoletti appearing on behalf of myself.
Good afternoon, Judge. Karen Stevens, improper for my motion for sanctions against Mr. Nicoletti for this
Improper. Oh, yeah, that's right. She's filing a motion for sanctions.
Vexatious and frivolous PPO.
I'm sorry, on this what?
I have a motion for sanctions against...
I know that. And the purpose of the sanctions are...
Medication, sir?
Oh, real quick. I'll get to the super chats after this.
Are based on what?
It was a frivolous and vexatious PPO based on nonsense.
It was a frivolous and vexatious PPO based on nonsense.
I am not stalking Mr. Nicoletti.
I haven't signed a PPO.
His petition for a PPO.
The judge is like, I haven't signed any PPO. She's like, his petition.
Okay, let me...
Okay, were you served?
No, I wasn't, but...
So she is trying to file a motion for sanctions against this attorney for filing a PPO that she never was served in the first place. She admitted she never even received the PPO at all, but she wants to file sanctions against him for this non-existent PPO.
No, you may not. How can you ask to sanction someone when you haven't even been served?
That's the point.
Stevens, do not interrupt me when I'm speaking, ma'am.
Ooh.
I have a constitutional right to be heard.
On what basis? There is no case before me, ma'am, other than the fact that you filed this frivolous motion, taking up this court's time for no good reason, other than your own personal vendetta against this man for whatever reason you may have, and I really don't care because it does not involve me or my court. However, had I issued a PPO, you would have a basis to be before me. I did not issue a PPO. He did not pursue his right to a hearing on the PPO. You were never served, and here you are taking up my time so that you want me to chastise him and make him pay money? No, ma'am. Your relief is denied, and in addition to that, I am sanctioning you with costs of $500.
Oh!
Forthwith to the county clerk's
Forthwith
office.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I knew it was fixed.
I beg your pardon?
I knew it was fixed.
Miss Stevens, I highly suggest that you just exit my courtroom and go pay the sanctions before I find you in contempt.
Now, where do I go?
The clerk's office in the main part of the courthouse.
Oh, wait.
But wait, there's more. Hold on, I was able to find it. The thing is that these motherfuckers at A&E, they have the extra footage. Hold on, give me a second here. But I'm gonna mute most of their crap. Okay, so we are 4 months later, and what happened is that the clerk's office actually made a mistake, and they only charged her credit card $5 instead of $500. And then when they tried to charge her the remaining $495, she actively blocked the transaction through her credit card company. And so now we're back again.
Balance owed, basically, to your credit.
But the story...
Karen Stevens?
Ms. Stevens, the last time you appeared in court, the court ordered that you pay $500 in costs. The clerk's office made a mistake with respect to your credit card, and only $5 was assessed as opposed to the $500. When the clerk's office attempted to correct the mistake they made, you basically objected to your credit card company, and that brings you here today. Do you have the $495 that this is the balance owed?
I have my credit card, but I did file an objection and an answer to this order to show cause that wasn't properly served, didn't have an affidavit of merit.
Looks like Stevens still wants to discuss the protection order, but Judge Anderson isn't having it.
Ms. Stevens, do you have $495 with which to pay today?
I just said I have my credit card. I do not have cash.
Very well then, Ms. Stevens. You may go down to the clerk's office, pay $495 forthwith to take care of the $500 that this court assessed you the last time you were here.
But Karen Stevens isn't one to go quietly.
I'm entitled to know what statutes or court rules you rely on to sanction me in the first place. That's part of due process.
Ms. Stevens?
Okay, she needs to stop.
Do you wish to comply with my request, or do you wish me to find you...
Is it a court order? I need a court order.
Ms. Stevens, my clerk will call down to the clerk's office and let them know you are coming.
There will be no court orders, what you're saying?
Ms. Stevens, please do as I've directed you to do. Thank you.
Stevens ultimately lost her feud with the judge.
Yeah, she had to pay ultimately with the remainder.
And Nicoletti.
Yeah. I'm not gonna do this to avoid Annie being a bunch of dicks. So yeah, that was the result of it. She had to pay the remaining $495. And I think she was very, very lucky that the judge didn't slap on a few more fines. Ooh, excuse me. So, oh my goodness. I want it to let you guys know next that, okay, well, here's the thing. Where do I go? So, in case you guys were not aware, didn't know or did not see this before, we're gonna watch the first few minutes of this video just to give you guys up to speed. What happened is that this woman, her name is Sandra Ann Anderson. She was caught and convicted of trying to smuggle horses from the United States to Canada. According to the factual record that I was able to read, she initially tried to say that she only paid like $5,000 for a horse, when in reality she paid closer to $32,000 for the horse. I think it was presumably so that she could avoid paying the import taxes on it. She has ever since then tried to file, claim after, sovereign citizen claims. She's been smacked down several times before, and we are now in a situation where she's this is at a court hearing, and she has since hired her own guru, and the guru is about to speak first, and then we're going to hear from her later on. But this was back in September, and there has actually been an update. Or an update in the sense that the guru has posted a public notice, I think as of November 1st. So we'll get to take a look at that and have some fun with it. So let's do it.
Do any of you have matters on the docket? Or are you just here to watch?
Matters on the docket.
Yeah, do you have
Oh, God. Okay, before I keep on forgetting, I'm sorry. Baker
Street. There was much rejoicing.
At Artie's Corporate Fiction, please wave to at Not a Brat's 4-year-old who can see you and is waving at you.
Hi, Not a Brat's 4-year-old. How are ya? Baker Street Gaming, thank you for being a member for 11 months. If his family was in law enforcement, they would tell him what a fool he is behaving. I agree. J-Dub, thank you for being a member for 6 months. SovCits are always bringing those magic words. Robbie Anderson, 199. Tase him in his semicolon. Fucking awesome. KF Walsh, $5. Classic cop comeback. Have you been prescribed any medication, sir? Or are you experiencing a mental health crisis or a mental health issue? That's another troll bait I've seen the cops employ. Simon, £5. Artie's Corporate Fiction. Wait, I just heard that one. I just said hi. Hello. All right, let's do this.
And the equestrian and Sandra Anderson.
Your Honor, that's on page 18. Calling the matter of Sandra Ann Anderson.
I'm gonna let this play while I get a brief refill.
Who is Sandra Ann Anderson?
I'm sitting on behalf of Sandra Anderson. Can the court please provide her accusers and the injured parties to all of these criminal convictions, please.
Okay, and your name, sir?
Is irrelevant.
It's actually very relevant. You know, anybody who's going to speak on the record in the court has to provide their identification, especially if you are trying to act as somebody's representative.
Can I have your name, please?
My name is Judge Mullen, and if you are here as an agent on behalf of Sandra Ann Anderson, we are going to need your name.
I don't have to provide it. None of us gave up our jurisdictional authority. May I ask Miss Mole, what jurisdiction does this court adjudicate any matter in, please?
I'm actually not here to answer your questions. So Sandra Ann Anderson is not here?
Can you please tell me, Miss Mole?
Miss Mole.
You called Sandra Ann Anderson?
Your Honor, on the phone number that was provided?
If that's what she's...
I'm also trying to hear what they're whispering here in a bit.
Sandra Ann Anderson?
Your Honor, on the phone number that was provided?
If that's what she's indicated that she wants to be phoned?
Miss Mole, you have to answer my question, please.
No, I don't.
No, I don't.
Yeah, yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Can you then tell me the name of the foreign creditor to this country's
You're done.
bankruptcy?
Let's go.
No.
She said you're done. That means you're done.
I didn't give up.
It doesn't matter.
None of us gave up our jurisdictional rights.
You got to start going, or we're going
I am sorry, you cannot do anything.
You cannot do anything. Remember that prediction.
You can't. Then you're telling me this court is in Admiralty Maritime jurisdiction?
Jurisdiction?
Start moving. You don't have to make this hard.
You guys.
Get up on your own accord.
Oh wait, he inflects his voice.
You're no longer.
I'm sorry, it's funny.
Okay,
Can I have your business card,
We won't
please?
give it to you outside. Come on.
No.
Please stand up, sir. So we have to use
You can't.
the least amount of force possible.
You cannot force me. I have not given up my right. Really? Have you guys lost your mind?
Like I'm imagining. I really wish we could see have visual, because I'm imagining either he has like a death grip on the podium and the cops are trying to rip his hands off of the podium, or like they're like two cops that are trying to drag him out, and he's like, you know, kind of trying to brace himself on the ground with his legs, and where they're trying to like shove him, you know, yank him out of the court forcefully. Either that, or he's like has a death grip on the podium and won't let go.
Okay.
Come with us.
Do any of you have matters that are on the docket this morning?
I would like to ask the same question.
And your name is?
Yes, a business card would count.
I have things on the matter.
And
I'm here by special appearance, and I would like to know what jurisdiction you are handling these matters in, please.
And once again, ma'am, your name is?
And can you tell me what your name is, please?
Your name is?
She already provided her name.
Can you please tell me what your name is?
She provided her name.
If you don't have matters on the
Yeah, Arisen, I heard that. Thanks.
docket, then I'm going to ask you.
I have matters on the docket today, but before I get them heard, I would like to know what jurisdiction you are hearing these matters in today.
So that I can deal with your matter that you say is on
I would like to know what jurisdiction you are handling these matters in today, please.
Okay, ma'am,
I'm here by special appearance.
if you're not going to provide your name, then we're not going to be able to deal with your matters.
I'm here by special appearance. My given name is Sandra, and I would like to know what jurisdiction you are handling these matters in.
Okay, are you Sandra Anderson?
I have not given up my personal jurisdiction here, and I would like to know what...
Actually, Stefan, if that's how you pronounce your name, if not, I apologize. I have actually seen sovereign citizen opinions in Quebec courts. The reason I know that, even though the opinions are in French, is they cite Meads versus Meads.
Jurisdiction you are handling these matters in.
So you're not Sandra Anderson?
I've given you my name. I would like to know. I'm not giving up my personal jurisdiction here today. I'm not giving it up, and I have not given it up. I'm under common law here, and I would like to know what... I would like...
I believe this is British Columbia. I'm not 100% sure, though.
To know what jurisdiction.
Your Honor, my understanding is Ms. Anderson is in the U.S. right now, and she had these matters brought forward, and that my understanding is she provided a phone number for us.
Excuse me, who are you? What's your name? Can you please give me your name, ma'am?
We have an individual who is being disruptive, this woman here. Would you please leave the courtroom?
Can you please tell me how I'm being disruptive? I have matters here today. I've given you my name. My name is Sandra. I'm here by special appearance, and I would like to know what jurisdiction you are handling these matters in today, please.
Mr. Sheriff, would you remove this?
And what are you, why?
Your stuff.
Can you please tell me why you're removing me?
I'll tell you outside if you like.
No, you can tell me here, please, because I would like this on the record. Are we on the record?
Yes,
Can you
we've been
please
on the
know if
record.
we are on and for the record?
We're here to answer your questions.
For the record.
Are we on and for the record? I have matters here. You cannot ask me to leave the courtroom when I have matters here.
Sheriff to come up to 505.
I just did ask you to leave the courtroom.
The judge's like, well, I did just ask you to leave the courtroom.
You're asking me to leave the courtroom. I would like to know, I'm asking you again. I'm asking you for a fifth time. What jurisdiction are you handling these matters in today?
Today.
Finally, we get
And I
some
would like to
video.
ask why you're ignoring me and why you're not answering me what your name is, please.
Thank you, Sonia Garlic, for the $10 New Zealand.
Can you please do not abandon the courtroom. Please do not abandon these matters. If you abandon these matters...
At least she didn't say, please do not abandon the ship.
These matters are over. I make a record of the court that the judge has abandoned the matter and my cases are thrown out. My cases are dismissed.
Recording's not on anymore.
Well, I have a...
Okay, again, note that this timestamp, she just said she's left the court, therefore these matters are dismissed. So why is she still here? If she believes that she can simply self-declare that these matters have been dismissed because the judge left the bench, why is she still here? Maybe it's because deep down inside, she actually doesn't believe that will work. And so that's why she's insisting that she stick around and want the judge to come back onto the bench. I think it's deep down she doesn't believe it.
Recording. So I'm not leaving until she comes back.
See?
Okay, the judge has asked you nicely to leave. Why don't you just come with me and we'll go...
I have matters here today. I have matters here. A warrant will be issued for my arrest, and I'm not going to have a warrant issued for my arrest. And if you make me leave...
But if the matters have been dismissed, why would there be a warrant issued for your arrest? Or why would you fear a warrant being issued for your arrest if, again, you can self-declare that your matters have been dismissed?
Okay.
Then you will be on the docket as well.
The judge asked for you to leave the court.
I have matters here today, and you know, as an officer and a sheriff, that you work for me, and I haven't given up my personal jurisdiction.
Okay.
And I have matters here today, and I cannot leave until these matters are resolved.
Okay.
And you know that as a sheriff.
Why
Can I
don't
get
you
your business card, please?
I don't have a business card. My
You
name is
you have to provide me a business card. You have to provide. I don't know who you are. I don't know who you say you are.
My name is right here.
Yeah, but this could be a uniform. I don't know what it is.
It is a uniform.
Thank you for the $5, Deacon.
It could be a fake uniform from Amazon. Please provide me with your ID.
The judge asked for her to leave the courtroom.
I have matters here today. I can't leave the courtroom. I have matters here today, and if I leave the courtroom and give up my personal jurisdiction, there will be a warrant for my arrest. I've already been put in jail twice. Okay, and I have.
Really, Robert? I thought sheriffs were, you know, a standard thing in Canada like they are in the U.S.
Matters to deal with here today, and as you know, as sheriffs who work for me,
Should we call Sergeant?
that you have to allow me to remain here to deal with my matters. The judge just abandoned.
Yes.
I have matters here. I need your business card, please. I need all of your business cards, please. Because
I want all the business cards. All the business
I
cards.
don't know who you are. You guys have masks on.
Stand up.
You have masks on. I need to see your business card first, and if you don't know who you are, that could be. I need to see your business card, please. And you know you have to show me your business card. I would like. You're going to remove me my force of arms? Okay. Would you just let go of me, please? Now you are assaulting me.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Can you please get these guys' names? M. Hilton. What's your name, please?
Stand up.
D. Merton. And this guy's name. And please make it for the record that they have not identified themselves.
I provided you my name, my regimental number, and my badge.
I would like to see some form of identification, please.
Those are
with your picture on it, please.
Oh my God.
All of you. Because now you're going to assault me and remove me my force of arms because you guys have guns on you. Force of arms, I have not done any harm. Can you please tell me who I have harmed before you pull me away and what crime I have committed?
No, Kaylee, they cannot do that.
You've been directed by a judge to leave this courtroom.
The judge knows I have matters here. She abandoned the courtroom. My matters are complete and should be dismissed. So if you remove me from here, can I please see that? Thank you very much.
Well.
Alberta, so you're a peace officer, and you're employed, and what is your oath?
Alberta Justice and Solicitor.
And your oath, you take an oath to serve who? Can you please repeat your oath? All three of you, please let me know what your oath is.
Okay, it's time to go.
Because if you're going to remove me here by force of arms, you will be held liable. All of you.
Okay, stand up.
For grabbing me, asked to leave by who? You guys work for us. I have matters here.
Okay, so we're going to ask you to leave.
Do you understand? Do you understand why she asked?
You will be physically removed.
Do you understand why she asked me to leave? Because I'm talking about personal jurisdiction, and you guys are going to make me give up my personal jurisdiction right by sitting here. You guys all know what jurisdiction is.
Do you?
You guys all know what jurisdiction is. And by you guys grabbing me and forcing me by arms out of this courtroom, that's assault, battery. And you guys will be liable. You don't know that judge.
Well, see, the problem is that part of the duties of law enforcement and part of the reason why we should maintain a high level of oversight and accountability to law enforcement is that they are allowed to put their hands on you. That is part of their job. They are the enforcement arm of the law, hence law enforcement. So they're allowed to put their hands on you and it not be considered assault battery, because as long as it's in the lawful performance of their duties, they could put their hands on you. So it wouldn't be assault and battery in that sense.
Number, warrant card, badge. She's been
force of arms.
So I'm going to give you one
force of arms. You're going to give me one last arm.
Leave on your own volition, or you will be physically.
I let you know that I am leaving under duress
as long as you're leaving
and not under my own free will.
That's fine.
Please get that man's name too. Rob Durham. Okay. I would like to see all your business cards. Okay. You guys will be held liable for this. Okay, I have a court case today. Okay, and I was here. Oh, you guys are all my witnesses that I was here today.
I am worried about my safety with these three officers.
Ma'am, we're just asking you to leave very quietly and calmly, so please.
You're not asking me to leave. You guys said in there that you were going to drag me out if I did not leave.
If you do not leave, you've been asked to
You were
leave.
going to drag.
I've the room, and she is not allowed to leave
the room. She has given It's a judge's order, and how does that judge have power over me when I didn't give her over my jurisdiction?
Take your things and
Oh my God.
let's leave.
Okay.
I left the courtroom. She asked me to leave the courtroom.
now
That's
you're gonna
all
leave
she
the
asked.
property.
And why are you guys forcing me?
I'm not forcing you to do
Yes, you are.
anything. I'm
You're about
asking
to
you very
grab me. You
No,
touch
I'm
me.
just-
You're assaulting me.
I'm
Let
not-
go of me.
No, I'm being very
Let go
nice.
of me.
Let's go.
This is a public courthouse,
Yes,
and
it
I
is.
am allowed to be in.
This is where she kind of switches gears and goes auditor mode for a bit.
Public courthouse.
You can leave now on your own volition.
Can you say that, or you're gonna
Yes.
what? You're gonna
Or
beat
we
me out
will-
of here?
No, we're just gonna escort you.
No, I don't think they ever said that they're going to beat you out of there. They're going to escort you out of there by force if necessary.
You're gonna escort me out.
Yes.
How are you gonna escort me out? Drag me out?
No, I'll just take you by the arm.
Well, if they have to, they probably will drag you out.
No, I don't want to be touched.
Okay, well,
this is my personal property,
yes.
and I do not
However,
want you
you're
touching
giving up that
my
option
personal
if you do not
property.
leave.
I know. I would like to know what criminal offense I've done.
You've been ordered, and now
I've
you're
been
being
ordered to leave the
trespassed.
courtroom. I'm
Yes.
not okay. Who's the owner
I
of
am.
this building?
Government of Alberta.
Oh, it is Alberta.
Government of Alberta. So who owns this building?
The government of Alberta.
Government of Alberta.
So under
Who
the
is
Trespass
that?
Premises Act right now.
The Trespassing Act. You have to have the owner of this building.
We are
ask
We are
you guys.
agents of the property.
Yes.
And we're able to enforce
And you're
the trespass
agents
premises
of
the
what?
I would like to think that the sheriff's officer would have that authority to trespass you out of the building. Just saying.
You're of agents of the crown?
Agents of the property.
I didn't trespass to come in here. I came in here to deal with
Now
my
you've been asked
matter.
to leave.
You've been
And
asked to leave under the
no,
Trespass to
the
Premises Act.
Trespass to Premises Act. This is a public building. I own this
Okay.
building as well, just as much as you guys
Ma'am, are
own
you
this
leaving
building.
or not?
So if you want to charge me with
I'm just asking you
trespass,
if you're leaving on your own.
no, I want to know what crime. I own this building as well, just as much as you guys
Ma'am, are
own
you
this
leaving
building.
or not? I
So if
just
you
wanna
want to
know.
charge
No,
me with
I'm just asking you
trespass,
if you're leaving on your own.
no, I want to know what crime I've committed.
You haven't
Okay?
committed a
You're
crime.
leaving me, you're
Yes,
forcing
no,
me, these
yes,
police
we are.
officers
No, we're
are
just-
forcing me
Okay.
to leave. You guys grab, let go of
Yes,
my arms.
please.
Let go of my arms.
Ma'am, we just, okay, get up.
Let go of my arms.
Okay,
now.
get up and leave.
Let go of my
Then
arms.
walk it on your own.
You're
You
going to
let go.
force me out of here? Okay.
Let's go.
No, I want people to see this. I want
Please do.
everyone
The whole
to
way.
see.
The whole way, that's fine.
Let go of me now. I told you.
Ma'am, you're very
Okay?
close to being arrested.
Just let go of me.
Then go.
Going for that toddler tactic of resistance here by just sitting on the ground. I mean, I'm surprised we're not at a grocery store and the cereal aisle.
Why am I being arrested? What crime have I committed? What crime have I committed? Please tell me what crime I've committed. You're still not answering.
You're
Still
being
not
trespassed.
answering. I'm trespassing in a public courthouse.
Yes.
Wow.
Wow.
Do that. Let go of my
No,
arm.
you.
You're hurting me.
We're not.
Please.
We're being
Let
very
go of
forced.
my arm. You're hurting my wrist. My wrist is broken last week. Let go of it.
Your wrist was broken last week. Okay.
Let go of her. Let go of it. Now. You want to break my wrist again?
no.
Let
Stop
go of my
resisting.
arm.
No.
Get in the elevator.
Then you guys let fucking go of me, and I will let go. Let go of me. Let go of me.
No, I'm coming on this one.
There's already too many
That's my
people in
sister.
here.
No,
Just
these
stand up.
guys are coming in.
That's fine, that's fine. All
You
good.
guys all with your masks, hiding your faces.
No, it's got nothing to do
Hiding
with
your face. Oh yeah, you are.
Here you go.
There you go. Show
Oh,
your
yeah.
face. Let's see if you want to show
They
your
don't
face.
have to.
This is going on the public news. Well, of
hope
course,
it
the news
does.
companies are owned all by the
Yes,
fucking
they
corruption
are.
too.
Okay, let's go.
So, yeah. Okay, escorted out by 4 police officers because I'm a criminal.
Well, you said it, not me.
Nobody
Because I
said
tried
that,
to
ma'am. We're
challenge
just
Courtroom 505 calling you.
Okay, so we're the rest of the part 3 audio doesn't really have much, but we're gonna now take a look at a recent update. So, let's see here. Let's see here. Okay. This is the Guru's website. Look at this amazing BS. And what happens here on his, by the way, this is
corporation.
This is what he looks like. Oh, you can't. Well, you know what? Fuck it. You can't even see it. Don't worry about it. This is what he looks like. It's this guy. This fucking guy. All right. So public notices. I know, right? The Dakota ring. So he files. Okay, Wongal, you're gonna love this. He files a defamation of Justice Paul Mason of Alberta Court of Queen's Bench. So he's intentionally. So he's admitting that he's defaming a public official or a justice of the peace. So you're admitting you're committing the tort of defamation? Again, this is a guru. We know that how well versed they are when it comes to the law, so I don't think he understands what he's saying. But I digress. So, attention, Paul Mason, unregistered foreign agent. This is dated November 1st, 2021. Here. Justice Paul Mason, Alberta Provincial Court, wiener and loser and unregistered foreign agent. I think he might be trying to say whiner. He may be saying wiener, but you know, just to highlight the professionalism of this guy. He's defamation of character. So he's intentionally committing. He's admitting he's committing the tort of defamation of character. What? Against pictured dumbass Mason Jar, impersonating an honorable man of the Admiralty Maritime Kangaroo Courts. Mr. Mason Jar, dumbass. So he didn't put the salutations into the next page. Awesome. You are officially and hereby included in the commercial lien that is going to strip you and yours of your worldly stolen gifts. You're a disgrace to him. You know what? I'm going to do this in a voice, so fuck it. You're a disgrace to humanity, your family, your friends, if you ever had any, and your neighbors who are about to line you up on their basement dartboards. Your children, your wife, your life as you know it will abandon you because it's the court of public opinion that will be looking for you. We at Angelic Law are proud and loud to promulgate to the lay people of North America the atrocities you and your constabulary of village idiots, the likes of J.D. Rook, Prowse, and Craig Jones, Nixon, S. Bensler, Romaine, Horner, et al. Have performed on the sovereign people of this land. I could also do Civil War. Yeah, you're true. Again, full clarity. You, Mason Jawhead, being an unregistered foreign agent on sovereign soil, are only here to monitor the repayment of our government debts, loans back to the foreign creditors. Your changing of the jurisdiction of the People's Court in favor of the judiciary vis-a-vis Erie Railroad versus Tompkins, 1938, is as heinous and convulsive in thought as it is in reality. Why we are citing a United States court case is beyond me, but I digress. You and the other named and soon to be served upon villagers of your alumni Mason Jawhead dumbass will soon understand the wrath and power of truth, facts, and evidence that none of you and yours can defend, refute, rebut, or deny, because the lies, deceit, and all-around bullshit you've been heralding is all too overwhelming for any of you to defend. Hey Mason Jawhead dumbass, how does a bankrupt government and or an individual broke as a fence post ever pull off a scheme and scam, assessing a levy, tariff, and tax upon the masses to pay off? We at Angelic Law promise to strip the clothes off your back and your family's back for the atrocities against humanity you and your alumni have caused upon the sovereign people of North America. Good luck, Angelic Law. Now, I need to go back to the Kermit voice, because he actually includes a transcript here of the hearing. The following are the words of the above-named Paul Mason, acting justice of a secular kangaroo court in Calgary, Alberta, on November 1st, 2021. Regarding executor to the estate of Sandra Anderson. Mason. Is there anybody here by the name of Sandra Anderson?
The executor is here as to the estate of...
Cut off by Mason. If you're the executor, does that mean Sandra Anderson is dead?
No, she is not dead. The surety indemnifies the bond. Real signature needs the body.
The straw man is dead equals passport? This is a public courtroom. We proceed in the public unless there is a reason. Estate matter is a private matter and are to be heard in the private.
I have documents that were conveyed to Justice Tisdale yesterday, and I have copies for you to review as I'm making presentment in honor of this court.
Please stand and deliver them to the court clerk, and I'll look at them.
I'm staying put, and I asked the court clerk to collect them and deliver them to you. Court clerk, come and get the documents so I can put them on the record.
Is Sandra Anderson in this courtroom?
The executor is here.
I don't understand what executor is.
I appoint you, Mason, as trustee and to protect and represent the estate.
None of that makes sense. The use to what you're putting the words doesn't conform with any sort of law that I understand.
Who is that person on the video screen and who do they represent?
Mr. Brennan, working for the Crown Prosecutor's Office. Is Sandra Anderson in the courtroom today?
I am here as the executor representing the estate.
Cut off. I don't understand what you mean by that. Document here from Mary Clark, which seems to be relating to something. We don't have executors appear on behalf. If you're not appearing here as Ms. Anderson, if you're going to be Ms. Anderson's representative, then we are going to proceed on this information today.
I would like to appoint you as trustee to protect the estate. 9:04.
I will not be appointed as anything. I am not a fiduciary. I am not acting on your behalf. I will do nothing on your behalf. I am a judge of the court of the province of Alberta, and my job is to ensure that this information moves forward in an appropriate fashion. I ask again, is Miss Anderson in this courtroom?
I am the executor of the name
executor is holding up birth certificate for Mason to see. Cut off from finishing. I don't accept the designation by you. You are either Sandra Ann Anderson or you are not. We can continue around and around on this, and that is fine. For the last time, is there a Sandra Anderson in this courtroom today?
I am here as the executor representing the estate.
Cut off. You're purporting to be here as her executor, and in the context of these proceedings, that does not make sense to me. But either you are Sandra Ann Anderson or the person that was arrested on these charges, or you are not. And if you are not, that's fine. For the last time, is there a Sandra Anderson in this courtroom today?
I am the executor of the name.
Cut off from finishing. Those are English words, but do not conform with the meaning and usages typically provided for the legalities in Canada. The executives, fiduciaries, and sureties all sound like real words. They are real words, but they are not being used in the appropriate context here, and they are not. What you're saying to me makes no sense to me. It sounds nonsensical.
As the executor to the estate of, I'm also seeking damages in the amount of $65,000 per hour as my fee.
Cut off. I'm trying to understand what you're saying. The $65,000 fee does not make sense to me. Has not actually meaning. I'll ask you again for the last time. Are you Sandra Ann Anderson? I don't think anyone is going to admit to being Sandra Ann Anderson.
I am the executor of the name.
Cut off from finishing again. Sandra Ann Anderson is required to be here. This is an indictable manner. At 2,300 hours. I don't know. When you have an indictable offense, a person can't have an agent appear for them. You have to appear on their own or sign designation of counsel. Mason pauses, scratches his robe. An executor, as I understand it, is to put in place when someone is deceased. That does not appear to be the case here.
This is an equity matter and an estate matter.
Cut off abruptly again. It's not an equity matter. It's not an estate matter. Because these guys are idiots. This is a criminal matter.
I would like you to protect the estate.
Abruptly cut off from speaking again. That it's a nonsensical statement. How? It means it has no validity in this courtroom. It doesn't. Executor makes no sense in this jurisdiction. And we're done. There you go. That actually hurt my voice. Yeah, I think it's 23 minutes into the shenanigans. A 23 minutes timestamp. Thank you, Sam I Am, for being a member for 8 months. I am Sandra Ann Anderson. Thank you, Doug, for becoming a member as well. So that's where we're at now at this point. Again, this guy, he's the kind of guy that loves the smell of his own farts. But as again, he's a salesman, so he's going to try and play himself up, for the money. But it is what it is. All right, why don't we close this out with some Karens? We can do that.
No.
Go. Get the fuck out. Don't tell me what to do. No. They're allowed to. I'm not going to be told by some moron.
Right. You the moron with no mask on.
I'm not a moron.
Why don't you just follow the rules?
No, it's not a law. I'm not following it.
We just want to get our food.
I like how she's wearing a t-shirt that says masks do work, but she's not wearing a mask. I assume the t-shirt's meant to be ironic.
I'm not following it.
We just want to get our food.
Oh, she was arrested. Oh my God. Guy. She was arrested. Yo.
Sitting in the sunlight, loving in the moonlight, having a wonderful time.
How you doing?
Good, you?
I just got a message that said that you said I did not deliver your food. I mean, I'm pretty sure DoorDash won't just send me that message. And I get it. You probably want a credit or something like that. But you put my job at jeopardy about whatever, and that's what it said. And how I know it is because this is the only delivery I just did. I just dropped my kids off at karate practice and did this one delivery. And they said the exact time the customer said they did not receive their order. I handed you your order in your hand. And people get fired for that type of stuff. And this is how I take care of my life and my kids. And just for a meal, it's not worth my job. So I'm recording just to let you know that. And I need you to say this, that you got your meal out of my hand. You received it out of my hand, right or wrong?
Did I receive it?
Yes. Huh? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
And I'm gonna go see.
You finna go see what?
The stuff on DoorDash.
That's fine, thank you.
Good day, cause this bitch is.
So she tried to dine and dash on Yeah, thank you, Maker Baker Dude. Mega Baker Dude. Wow. She tried to dine and dash using DoorDash. Awesome.
Subway say, I will. You.
Thank you.
Good day, cause this bitch is Subway say, I will. You will beat my ass. I will. You need to go back there and do your job. I will. Do your job. Do your job. Do your job, bitch. Y'all want this woman to make your food? She will not make my customers' food and threaten to beat my ass with her racist ass. Come on out here and do your job, bitch. You got the right motherfucking white girl. Somebody call the police. Sir, can you call the law? Why not? She's one person. She's one person. And I'm willing to wait for their food that she's refusing to make. So, you won't call the law? Okay. Well, then serve your country and sit right on right there. I bet you got that too, didn't you? Yeah, you Democrat.
What a bitch. Sounds like the camera... Okay, I don't know what the worker did, but the camera lady's a bitch right there just for that bullshit. Just for that comment right there. Just for that comment.
Socialist, commie bastard.
Hey, don't you damn call me no commie bastard. I took it because bad lungs run in my family.
Well, I pray to God that you don't get hurt because that shit it kills old.
TikTok.
Well, I pray to God that you...
Wait, what the fuck did she just say?
I took it because bad lungs run in my family.
Well, I pray to God that you don't get hurt because that shit it kills old.
TikTok, don't take this.
Oh my god, what the fuck did she do? Just say to this old man?
Socialist, commie bastard.
Hey, don't you damn call me no commie bastard. I took it because bad lungs.
Oh, he's talking about the vaccine. He's talking about... I think that's what it was. Something about vaccination or something. He just said that I took it because I have bad lungs.
Lungs run in my family.
Well, I pray to God that you don't get hurt because that shit it kills old.
And now she was about to say that the vaccine kills old people.
TikTok, don't take this video down. This lady damaged property and assaulted employees.
I assaulted no one!
I'm working with this
You call the police.
Yeah, I'll call the police. And I have your plates too, so don't worry.
Okay. And
I've assaulted someone, Patty! Patty?
No. You touched that man.
I didn't.
And you almost ran him over.
Come here.
No, ma'am.
the truck.
Okay, there isn't much damage. I'm fine. So what do you want done here? What would you like me to do? Sir, Patty, we're working remotely. I came here for...
Belisha, I do not have acting chops. Come on.
At my house, which is right nearby. I came back here. The guys are not working. They're cheating me. Okay? All I did was get a little bit huffy.
She's lying.
Claiming, no, she's claiming we
She's
had this
lying.
huge, you want to see the huge, long, it's about an 8-foot long wooden table. We were taking it out there and they dropped it. I was trying to maneuver it.
Okay, I feel like she's explaining her story with interpretive dance.
This guy over here
Because
was
you
in
were
the way.
screaming
Ma'am, you know what?
You
Your
were being
prejudice
rude.
is not going to do a thing for you.
You were being so rude
No,
to
I
him
was not.
that they were
What
like
would you like me
frantic.
to do? 'Cause I'm not interested in any of this story. All I'm doing is moving things. That's all I am doing here.
But you
What
damaged.
would you like me to do?
You damaged my property.
Okay, what would you like me to
damaged
do?
the truck.
What would you like me to do here?
I want
Do you want me to bolt it
Jared.
back in?
Wait, what the? Wait, what? What? Don't you can't. Wait, did she hit? She hit the pole?
That's all I am doing here.
But
What?
you
What would
damaged.
you like me to do? Okay, what would you like me to do? What would you like me to do?
What the? There's so much more to this story that I want to know. What happened?
Oh my God.
Christmas Carol thing is to get out of a Christmas Carol. Get out of my country. Christmas Carol thing is.
Wait, what the fuck? Okay, these videos are just fucking wild and right now. I'm glad I've been drinking because I don't think I can handle this shit sober. Hold on a second. Listen to this shit.
Back in?
Oh my God.
Christmas Carol thing is to get out of a Christmas Carol. Get out of my country.
Boo! Boo! Boo!
I thought she was British. You ruined my night in the play. Yours is gonna suck. You didn't do it.
Is this at a play?
Stop mocking me, Elton. And that's why this stands here. They're mocking Shakespearean drama while they watch an English play in the room. Losers. Losers, all of you. You don't know what Macbeth is. Macbeth! Macbeth!
What the fuck is? What the?
Get her out of here.
What the fuck was that?
Karen creating chaos in Toronto.
This woman's going to fucking snap. Look at her. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ma'am.
Yo. Oh. Ooh.
Oh my god.
Oh. Oh.
Oh my god. On a Saturday afternoon. Not the fries. Oh my god, she's gonna run you over. She is not in her right mind. Don't even go in front of her car. Oh. Hell, now you don't even have your food. It's not worth it. It is not worth it.
How's it going?
Alrighty, I'm looking at this and it looks delicious right now. That already, I don't even know what's going on, and that looks like a nice spread.
How's it going?
Got watermelons. Got I think those are cucumbers, and I think those are lobster or lobster tails.
We're doing a catch and cook. We just caught some lobster.
Nice.
We're making some lobster rolls. Want to try it?
No.
Hell yeah, dude! I want some lobster rolls. Fuck yeah.
Okay.
But this is
Okay. Yeah, we'll clean all this up, and we'll get on out here.
do this here.
Alrighty. We're sorry. Alrighty. Yeah, we'll get on out. Okay. So, you want to?
Hey, Jane.
No, I don't. What
Okay.
I
All right, sounds good. Well, we're
make me
gonna.
throw up to eat one of those.
Oh, you don't like lobster? Okay, well, we're just gonna empty this pan and then we'll head on out of here.
I want to see you leave. I want you to
Okay.
pack up and get the heck out of here.
Okay, what was your name?
Don't-
My name's James.
My name is. I'm on the board, and if
Uh-huh.
you're not out of here
I'm on the board. Drink.
in a minute, I am calling the sheriff.
Okay. All right.
I mean,
All right.
You can't do this on private property.
A big old open, wide road, and we're in guest parking. Okay. All right. We'll be getting out soon. We're just gonna
No, I
pack
don't
this
wanna
up.
hear soon. You're making me upset.
Okay, well-
You've got a lot of nerve doing this.
Really? Oh, we ran into some other people that were walking.
I don't
and they were
want to
really
hear
nice.
about the other people.
It looks like they're tailgating.
This is illegal what you're doing.
Is it? They're tailgating in what they say is guest parking.
Why would you say that?
All right, I'm calling
All right.
the
So,
sheriff.
well, now that we're out of here, we just played everything.
1 minute to get
Okay.
out of here, or I'm calling the sheriff.
Okay, sounds good.
You are on.
I mean, I honestly don't know. Jassa, I honestly couldn't tell you whether or not what they're doing is improper. I don't think so. If they're in guest parking, non-American here, tailgating is. I mean, I usually associate that with football, where you're in a parking lot before a game, and most people set up like a mini what they're doing here. They set up a little mini cook stove, a little camp, and people hang out, drink before the start of a football game. And reason why it's called tailgating is because they put down the tailgate, and usually in the back of a truck is where people set things up. Hence tailgating. I don't think what they're doing is illegal, and even if it is, she's still being a Karen, because there's literally nobody else parked there, and they're not doing anything wrong. They're not being a nuisance, and they're not parked in designated parking. They're in guest parking, and there's nobody else around, as if there's like some sort of event going on and they're taking up space.
Okay.
Property that you do not belong on.
Yeah, we're just trying to pack up so we can get out of here. We'll throw this into the trash
packing
can.
up. Pack it up.
Oh my.
Ma'am. Okay, so we got
Let's
this.
just calm down. We're gonna pack it up. Don't worry. Everything's
Okay.
gonna be gone. There's no need to be mad about this.
But that's also a good point, Stacey. If they're doing a catch and cook, that means that they are next to a public fishing spot or a place where they can the members of the public can fish at.
Okay, so we'll go ahead and grab this one. Okay.
Yeah, this is. I'm at the Palace Bay Club, which is private property, as you know. And we have some guys who are cooking to leave for 15 minutes.
Whoa.
Now, but until,
Why? You're causing such a fuss.
It's been what?
for 15 minutes.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's probably been less than 5 minutes.
Now, but until,
Why? You're causing such a fuss. We're not bothering anybody.
you're bothering me.
Yeah, well, we're trying not to.
This is your property. It says your name is
She owns it. She
You
owns
own
it.
all this property. You own all this property. Do you?
But
No.
us being here
No,
bothering
okay.
her so much.
Why are you coming up to us? We're not bothering anybody.
Intimidate me.
I'm not
He's not trying to
intimidating
intimidate you.
We're not bothering
I'll bring
anybody.
suit against you.
Why?
Oh my God, she is a bingo card of herself. All right, threatens lawsuit.
We're not
I
bothering
would
anybody.
advise you to get the heck out
After
of
you
here.
give us
Calls cops, threatens lawsuit.
We're gonna get out of
trying
here.
to pack up
We're not
for you.
bothering anybody. You're coming up to us.
And you're okay. It's a Sunday. Have a great
Hey,
day.
what are you doing?
Whoa.
Whoa!
You are.
Okay, what the fuck?
Oh my.
Ooh, look what she just did.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, there she goes. Ooh. And that's the remainder of our lobster rolls. Hey, good save. You saved the... All right, bro. We might as well take one.
Might as well.
Super good bite.
Cheers to Karen's.
Yeah, let's make sure that...
Like that lady.
Yeah, she's there.
Going into my truck. Cheers.
Cheers. There goes the sheriff that she called.
That was actually legit upsetting. Ruining the fucking food. What the fuck? Oh, we saw that one.
Karen's in the wild.
All right, we already saw this one. Well, what are the oh, and we already saw this one. Boo.
Get out of here! Get the fuck out of here! Get the fuck out of here!
Oh my god. Is this at an IHOP? This looks like an IHOP. This needs to be on. This has to be an IHOP.
In my face! You touched me! He just touched. Get the hell out of my restaurant! He did not touch you. He touched me. Get out of my restaurant! Bro.
Ooh.
He just touched me! Charles, get over here. Call 911.
This is not an IHOP.
He touched
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, this is not an IHOP. That's Culver's.
me. He touched me in my face. Who touched him? Why did you touch him? Why did you touch him? I'm going to get arrested. No, you get fired. I'm going to get fired. Your name is Joe. Hey, what's your name?
You're gonna get fired, he says to the owner.
Hey, what's your name? Nobody touches me. Hey, what's your name, Martin? Oh, that's right. You remember that guy? Put that down. Get out. You're violating my policy.
Yes. In most jurisdictions, you can use a modicum of reasonable force to remove somebody from your property. Yes.
Move. Let's go.
You can't beat the fuck out of them. Obviously not. But you can forcibly escort him out of the property. Yes.
People are full of shit. Yeah. You are full of shit. Come on, let's go. Come on. You full of shit. Come on. Let's go. I'm calling corporate. Okay.
I'm calling corporate.
Let's go.
I agree that it's not the best. It's not. It shouldn't be your first choice. Your first choice is to wait for the police to come in and take them out. But if they're being, excessively belligerent, like if they're destroying property inside of your, inside of your business or inside of your house or property, if they're destroying shit, then I would say I would say you don't need to wait for the cops to get them out of there, to get them to stop fucking up your place. But if they're just like, acting like a toddler with their arms crossed and saying, "Make me," then I would probably wait for the cops to come in and yank them out. Uh-oh. Oh.
I don't care. Put me on Worldstar. I'm already famous on Worldstar.
I got you.
I'm more. Wait, she said she's already famous She's already famous on Worldstar.
Put me on Worldstar. If little bitch wants to fucking flirt with a bitch who's scooping macaroni and cheese, he's gonna get macaroni.
Tell the camera what he did. Tell the camera what he did.
Them hoop earrings, though. Damn.
I'm the shit. Ain't no bitch hotter than me. Ain't no bitch more paid than me. Fuck all you fucking bitches.
Therefore.
Fuck all you bitches. Ain't nobody got $10,000 tits. Like me. $10,000 on my titties, bitch.
Oh my God, he laughed me! I got it! I got it!
The camera guy. I got it. What the fuck? Well, I didn't expect that one. What the fuck? $10,000 titties. I mean, I feel like that is a one of a kind. I don't think that we've ever heard that one before on this channel. But I want to go take a look at Vilified Freedoms in a second.
Thank you for clicking on this video. Now, we have a woman not too happy with the drive-thru worker.
What's the holdup?
I'm sorry, we're like entirely understaffed. We have other lines.
Okay, I have a meeting I'm supposed to be at. So what, are you out of some stuff?
No, we're not out of stuff. It's just hard to manage the entire SovCit people.
Okay, so are you about ready for the, did you get everything done now?
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Okay, it's just that I have somebody sick at home and I've got to get home.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay, that's okay.
In the following clip, we have a woman not happy with a woman filming her.
Out again.
No, I will not, Ryan.
So that is really, really scary. She's an extremely scary person.
Don't take pictures of my
She's an
car.
extremely scary person.
You're not allowed to film me. Excuse me, this is copyrighted. You are not allowed to film me.
She's copyrighted?
So I've got...
Moving on, we have a woman raging at a driver for being too loud around her neighborhood.
Are you serious right now? Driving with a loud car in a neighborhood? In a quiet, safe neighborhood in front of an elementary school? You should be ashamed of yourself. You don't even live in this neighborhood, do you?
Yes, the I do.
I'm calling the police. You're getting
Call
too loud.
them.
You're
What are they
getting
gonna
too loud.
do? What are they gonna do?
They're gonna come and arrest you.
Get-
Oh, you're filming? Hi, put me on the internet. Put
Back
me on.
the up.
This looks fake as fuck. I'm sorry, this is fake.
Put me on Facebook.
Fine.
Here we have a woman.
Yeah, I'm saying that's fake as fuck. I'm sorry. Terrible acting. Sorry.
Clearly not happy about something. Watch the clip.
Calm down. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You f***ing get my order right.
Yep. That last clip was as fake as $10,000 titties. And I'm probably going to get canceled for saying titties so many times tonight, aren't I? All right. All right, Vilify Freedom. If you guys ain't subbed to him, you should be.
You know what happens to an illegally parked frog? It gets towed. These jokes that I tell, they're sent to me. I find them on the internet. I hear them from other.
Yeah, can I get a hashtag titties in the chat? Thank you.
It's no secret.
That'll definitely get me
never been a
taken down by YouTube.
I started off writing down these jokes so I could relate with the kids in the morning. It's not a secret.
Oh, brother, all being hidden. All right, this is the longest intro ever.
Fake Mike, real news.
Oh, Oh my fucking god, it's both of them. I thought it was just Anselmo, but we have Mr. Whisk as well. Oh, thank God I'm already 4 beers in. 3.5.
Yeah, an egg beater.
Stop it.
Wait 5 minutes for station officer to return. Oh, here we go. Yeah, can I do a public
They're
request, please?
in Portsmouth, Rhode Island, or Portsmouth, Mass?
Hey, what's up, bud?
Probably RI.
Yeah.
Number 1, how dare you?
How dare you?
Get in my way, you're gonna wind up getting arrested, bud.
For
For
what crime?
For getting in my way from here.
What? Really?
Have a good day.
So getting in your way?
Alright. I love the cops already. No fucks given today.
You're a tyrant, sir.
I mean, look, I don't claim to be a smart guy, but I think you need to look up what the definition of tyrant is.
Sir, you're a tyrant.
Yes, sir, you're a tyrant. Getting in your way is not a crime. It's a public area. He's not interfering with an investigation.
We're at the
investigation? What are you investigating?
No. No. Well, we're hold on. We're investigating you right now. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. You're
fantastic. How can I help you?
What are you working on today? No, I don't care what he's working on right now.
know.
No, he just broke the law by making threats to us.
Wait, what?
Right?
It didn't sound like a threat. It sounded like a statement. It sounded like something he's willing to do if you continue to get in his way.
Right? You're being disorderly right now. So we need you to calm down. And I need to know your name, your last name, and your badge number, please.
I already gave it to you.
Hey, Joe! Get a load of these motherfuckers!
That was legitness.
Okay.
You guys have any business in the PD?
We sure do. We
Okay.
finance the
What's your
entire.
business?
We finance the entire operation.
No, you don't. You personally financed the entirety of the Portsmouth Police Department, yeah? Yeah? Yeah?
We want to know the last 10 completed internal affairs reports from this department.
From this place?
Yes.
Right there. You can go through records. What are you guys working on today?
Why would he mention about arresting me for no reason?
Whoa, hold on. First off, you were shoving a camera in his way. He's walking to work. You're trying to stop him from doing that.
Well, I'm trying to answer your questions. If you want any records, you can just go right next door and we'll get you records, okay?
Sure. What are you working on today?
Oh, you know, all the things
None of your fucking business.
that you're too scared to work on, you know, stopping bad guys, foiling crime, you know.
What am I working on?
Yeah.
I'm the street supervisor.
Let's just forget that he was being disorderly, and we're gonna ask him about what he's doing today. No.
All right, you go.
My name's Jordan, by the way.
He's being disorderly. You see this? You guys would arrest anyone for being disorderly. So he's disturbing my peace.
What's your name? My name's Jordan. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to
talk to you.
Nice to meet you. I'm Enrique.
Enrique?
Yes. You see, we have freedom of the press.
I really hate the fact that he's Puerto Rican.
You guys are
yeah, you can
so
film
why
and do whatever you like. That's fine.
So why would he threaten a camera guy with arrest?
Because the nosy, rude little camera guy threw his phone up in his face and started asking questions as soon as he showed up to go to work. Man ain't even clocked in yet.
He's just all he's saying is you can't block him from going in the door.
I never
What law
did.
is that? Listen. What can I do to help you though now?
Well, sir, as the First Amendment protects our right to protest, as long as they're not being physically violent towards
You're
him.
fine. I don't have a problem with you here. If you
So,
want
yeah,
to film,
but
just make sure people can get to the window.
Oh, you're the sergeant. Okay, sergeant.
Okay, that's New Hampshire. Now I finally see the state thing. It's Portsmouth, New Hampshire.
Sergeant, I appreciate you being courteous and professional. This guy needs more attention. You need to keep an eye on him, okay?
I hate so much about
the things that you choose to be.
And that's the
Can I
thing.
ask, what's with the
It's a fake Mike Real News. So
We all know it's a fake mic, but we've never ever seen you cover anything real news. Ever. All we ever see you do is agitate people, or pick on elderly officers, or try to bother some innocent person at work. You've never covered legitimate news that any of us have ever seen.
A what? Fake Mike, real news. So we've confronted.
Gotcha.
We've confronted the Clintons, the Bidens, Donald Trump, Bernie Sanders, Tulsi Gabbard.
All I'm hearing, what he sounds like he's talking, but all I'm hearing is dick sucking noises.
To tell him, we've interviewed Martin Luther King Jr.'s niece. We've interviewed TED speakers, neuropsychologists, the inventor of email, on and on and on.
The inventor of email.
I'm not going to call the man a liar because I don't know. I've never seen none of that. I've never seen absolutely none of that.
We have millions of views on the web.
Hey, nobody cares. Nobody cares.
So when a police officer makes threats and is disorderly, it gets thousands and thousands of hits on the internet. It's very hard to remove that from there. It's good that the Portsmouth Police Department have you as a sergeant and taking care of the situation. We know that you're going to speak with him later on and tell him that's not the way to talk to the citizens.
Okay.
That are not breaking the law.
Threatening arrest for somebody getting in the way, that's obviously not a crime.
I think really what it comes down to is you guys can be in here. You have the right to be in here. Just be careful. Just don't block the officers from getting inside, okay?
Sure.
But,
let me ask you one more
wanted
thing.
to know what my job is. I'm the street
Yeah.
supervisor, so my job is to respond to usually any incidences where would involve either a supervisor or it's like a high-risk situation where they need somebody like me.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you for being brave.
I would say hats off to this guy for maintaining his professionalism. He is a better person than I am.
Thank you for being the one to show up to high-risk situations. These guys don't understand none of that.
Sure. What do you think about the thin blue line? Some people say that it's against
honestly,
flag code.
I'm not allowed to just talk about
Sure.
because I'm not the chief of police.
Yes,
but
of course.
If you want like a statement from our agency in regards of what our opinion is on something, you can reach out to the chief of police. I can give you his phone number, extension if you want to make that phone call.
Yeah, I would.
I hate you so much, Kick.
But I just want to get that for
Thank you. Appreciate you. You've been very friendly.
This guy's super friendly. I know you don't. I know you don't talk about arresting people right away like the other guy.
Look at that pen too.
I don't think you talk about arresting people right away unless they're breaking the law.
Why is it so hard to understand? If you're going to treat somebody poorly, they're going to treat you poorly back. It's common sense. I'm sorry y'all are too dumb to understand that. But you stood in the man's way and shoved a camera in his face. What did you expect anybody to do?
I'll definitely check that out, but I'd also like to remind you politely that it is your job to disobey unconstitutional laws because politicians can't. Mandates are not laws, and you guys are law enforcement, not enforcers of mandates. So,
I mean, I don't think anybody's going to argue with that, but you'd have to give us an example of when did they do something that was unconstitutional. And we won't be discussing the whole thing or masks or none of that. Everybody's
Breathe.
entitled
I gotta
to their
breathe. I gotta
opinion.
breathe. I gotta breathe.
I have my own opinions. Y'all have your own opinions.
7479. Our chief is Chief Mark Newport.
Mark Newport, okay.
That's his phone number. I don't know if he'll like pick up obviously right away, but if you leave a message.
Y'all come in here disrespecting, acting stupid, shoving cameras in people's face. Still got all the help you was looking for. This man sat here and assist you with whatever you wanted.
I appreciate you, Wells. Please don't take any.
How's it going, sir? Can I have your name and badge number, please?
Yeah, my name's Donnie. Good to go. Oh, thanks, bro.
Good to see you today, Donnie.
Yeah, good to see you too, Donnie.
Quick question. What's your favorite amendment?
I mean, imagine being on your job. Some idiot comes walking up with a camera.
What's your favorite amendment, bro?
Why do you do this? What are you doing today? Obviously, I'm working. Obviously, I'm going to do... You see me dressed up? You see me getting into the squad car? You don't need to be a genius.
What's your favorite amendment? How many are there?
Huh?
How many are there amendments to the Constitution?
Why are you asking?
Well, it's your job to. You took a sacred oath to uphold them, so you should know it's like basic stuff.
No, we're
It's your job, not my job. It's your job.
We're trying to find out if you
I'll tell you
know.
what,
Look, we're great.
Oh my God.
We're happy for you that you're versed in
There's 27, by the way.
something. Lord knows if we sat here long enough, we could get a whole book wrote on the things that y'all don't know. Learn how to treat somebody. That's all anybody.
I mean, if you guys want my personal opinion, it'd probably be a tie between the first and second. All right, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Vilified. That was still infuriating to watch. Okay, all right. I haven't seen this yet.
Karen's in the wild.
Ma'am, it's a goddamn comedy show. What the fuck it is? You gotta ingest this. What's the problem? What's the problem? Huh? What's the problem? I don't want to know what the fuck she had to ask me. Goddamn compelling as fuck. What do you want to know? What do you want to know?
Okay.
We know you're a woman. We can tell. Good. How? How am I insulting people by talking about sexual matters between adults? I'm talking about consenting adult shit. I have sex with women. So me being up here describing my life is insulting to you? Then how can you speak for the whole crowd and tell me that I'm insulting them? Is anybody insulting? Sounds like a resounding yes over here. A resounding agreement.
Get. Oh, no. Do not put. Go, Karen.
Bye, Karen.
Now she gets upset.
Storm the Capitol or storm my goddamn stage. Do whatever the fuck they want. Storm the Capitol or storm my goddamn stage.
Storm the Capitol or storm my goddamn.
What the fuck, Lucy?
Stressful job! This is a stressful job! Alright! Alright!
Okay, what?
Hey, take a deep. Alright, no! Stop talking back to me! God damn it!
I'm not talking back to you.
Yes, you are!
I'm trying.
I'm fucking gonna quit right now!
I'm trying to.
You want me to just quit right now? And everybody can fucking walk? Does everybody want to fucking walk home? Alright? Stop talking back to me! This is a stressful job!
I'm calling 911. You're out of control. You are out of control.
Just get off the bus. I'm having a stressful day. I don't want to hear any back talk.
Hey, everybody else is.
Let me just vent. I'm just venting.
Okay.
I'm 7 minutes down. I'm sick and tired. It's not all right. I'm going to get written up for it. You don't do my job. You don't know what you're talking about.
But I know you got to be a good job or you wouldn't be here. You need to chill.
Just let me vent and don't talk back. Just ignore me. The best thing you can do. See, you're not ignoring me. You're talking back.
I am telling you to calm down.
I don't want to calm down.
You need to because you are out of control.
I'm sick and tired of people criticizing me. You've never done this job before.
I know, and you've never done ours.
See, there you go.
This is like straight up fucking falling down, going postal.
Because I'll sit here all day if you want to keep talking.
I mean, I sort of. She's not helping the situation. Just stop, ladies. Just stop. All you're doing is causing him to fucking fly off the handle even more.
Back. I'll sit here all day. Stand up at the stop so I can see you like this.
I told you to yell at me.
At least wave your hand so I can see you at the stop. At least wave your hand. Go ahead, you can record me. I don't care.
We don't want to record you. We just
It's too late. He's going to put his recording on the RTs. I don't care. I don't care. I'm sick and tired of people. I can't do everything.
I can't read your mind.
Okay, we can't either read yours.
Are you getting off here?
No, I'm getting off further down, but I'll let you know and I'll still tell you thank you and have a safe night.
Have a fucking
Shut up!
nervous breakdown.
Excuse me.
You're not helping!
You're the driver, dude. You're supposed to be responsible.
Shut the fuck up!
Getting stressed up, man. This extra board, this bullshit.
Hey, I'm an extra board too, but I'm not cussing.
Oh my god.
I come different shifts.
It's okay, you've never done this job.
I know, and that's why
I have to deal with tweakers, drug addicts, mental cases, people threatening me.
Wow.
I've had it.
That's discrimination. You are out of line.
How is it discrimination? What?
Discrimination? Are you suggesting? How is he discriminating? I imagine a guy working the midnight, the red eye shift in a on a public bus deals with tweakers, addicts, and nut jobs all day. How is that Lady, shut the fuck up!
What are you talking about? I'm calling Metro on your ass.
Oh my god.
I am. Because that is wrong. How dare you break?
He needs a leave of absence. If not, he needs to leave the job, and she needs to shut the fuck up.
People that way.
They are.
And you cannot.
That's who I deal with. That's reality.
You know what? We all deal with people, but you're wrong. You're wrong. You are so wrong. You are so wrong. How dare you disrespect people like that?
I do. I have to deal with people like that. It's not disrespectful. It's reality.
Look, I'm not excusing him having a freaking nervous breakdown. I am not excusing that at all. He clearly needs to find himself another job, or at the very least get a break from his position. What I'm saying is her consistently trying to respond and have the last word is not helping the situation.
Get out of my country.
And all right, well, we're gonna start off with that. Fuck.
I'm telling you. Get out of my country. I'm telling you. Get out of my country.
Excuse me. Sorry, excuse me. No, just a second.
Get out of my country.
Excuse me.
I'm saying it now. I'm saying it now. I'm saying it fucking now. Get out of my country.
All right, we got white girl wasted.
Get the fuck out of my country. No, I'm not gonna leave. You know what? They can come. They can yeah. And you know what? You are all ugly. You are the ugliest motherfuckers in the fucking world. Get the fuck out! Because I don't want you here, and I'm gonna vote against you, and I'm gonna kill you when I can.
I'm sorry, what?
You here, and I'm gonna vote against you, and I'm gonna kill you when I can.
You're not killing me. I hope you're not killing me.
When you can. Yo.
When you come to kill me, I'm drop kicking your shit. So I don't know. I don't know how that.
I'll take a video of me calling you a cunt, because that's what you are.
Okay, we are getting all the white girl wasted shit going on here. The fuck?
You're a fucking cunt. How about that, huh? Cunt. Oh, she's taking a video of me because I'm calling her for being a fucking
There's gonna be a sheriff here in about 5 minutes. Sorry, guys.
She's in How white girl wasted can you get? Fucking yoga pants, fucking slippers, and a fucking spaghetti strap that's exposing her bra, and clearly shit-faced. What the fuck?
Yes! I call you out for being a fucking cunt! I guarantee someone told you before you're a fucking cunt, huh? You fucking loser, you're a man, ugly, fucking badass.
Wait, so this is all about wearing a mask? Oh, wait, what the fuck? Oh!
Fucking badass man.
Oh, she's... Oh! She just tried... She just slapped her. Oh! Oh! Oh, come on! Cut! You can't end the fucking video like that! Bull... We were just fucking cock teased. We were just fucking blue balled, and I'm pissed. I'm fucking pissed. I'm mad. I'm very mad. We just got blue balled. I'm so mad right now. I'm pissed. Sigh. Palate cleanser before the end. Let's end it with Aussie Man.
Hello fans, friends, members of the public. Welcome to today's critical analysis of disappointment. It's a common emotion. Ah, bugger. There goes your balloon. No! Your birthday balloon. She scheduled her whole day around picking up that bloody thing, and then off it goes into the cold, distant stratosphere, like the rest of her day. Ruined. A flicker of hope? Yeah, nah, it's gone, mate. Go inside. Go on. Or just cry.
I don't think I'm gonna like this.
Cry on the step as your husband documents the moment. Exercise activated. Exercise over. Tragic stuff.
Shit.
Sport in general yields a high level of disappointment. This defender does a cool trick but scores an own goal. A tumbling cascade of disappointment ripples across the field. The loss of speech rings loud. Running in a famous place where Rocky Balboa used to exercise, a joyous occasion turns into utter devastation. Fucked it massively. His friend refuses to let shame and embarrassment tarnish his moment. Resilience. Everyone needs a friend that can drag you out of the depths of disappointment. It's just a holiday in Philly, he says. Big deal.
No!
Dating. One of the most disappointing activities in the world. Weekend weather looks great. Want to do something outdoorsy? Sure, what are you thinking? How about we hire a boat? I'm good at boating. Deception. Lies. She sits in the back and cries. Who let this bloke near a flotation vessel? His use of the oar is nothing but a bore. Let me out! Let me out! She screams with her face. Fuck me dead. Love is a farcical rat race. Lesson of the day. Choose the pedalled boat. That one in the background. Once again, the loss of speech is the only sound.
He doesn't know how to row.
Oh no, look at that face. This is not pad thai at all.
Raising a child. It takes so much work.
Oh my God.
Do everything you can.
Bruh.
And teach everything you can. No matter what, they go their own way. Denial. Denial of their chosen.
And yes, that is a mother's disappointment, seeing her son chug a bottle of vodka.
Path. Insert burp. Is it real wine? Is it in the bloodline? No.
Oh, no, it's wine.
Yes.
And now she
It
needs
absolutely is. You little fucking stupid shit. A letdown. Gainful employment. A milestone. Independence. Freedom. Nothing but excitement until you learn about the
taxes.
Tax man.
Yeah! Yeah! No, that's me! That is me! My very first high paycheck. My very first, what I thought was a high paycheck. That right there. That is my reaction when I saw how much they took from taxes. Right Right there. Right. I know that face. I know that face.
What is this figure? Who took
Are
all
you
my fucking money? A tough pill to swallow. Yet without it,
FICA, you motherfucker!
Society is hollow. Do your part. Do your bit. Forget the numbers. You just got
the pain
to work and make the sock fit. Seriously though, the fucking occupational trajectory in this job looks very disappointing. Overall, we will never end this feeling. The only thing you can do that helps with the healing
right
is
on,
a hug.
Lucian.
A big old happy fun times huggy hug. And then bounce back. Stand up. Get on with your day. Don't look at it. Don't. It's gone. That's right. Forget about it. It's time to move on.
And that was the moment when you grew up, when you saw just how much they take from your first big paycheck. And my first big paycheck was from earning in New York City. So imagine how much was taken from me in that one. Whew.
And we are back with more optimistic expectations, followed by crushing realities. This bloke is making a cool slow-mo video in Bali. He's got to do a trick, yeah!
Oh, he's going to fuck it up? Yeah!
Until it doesn't. Jasper has decided the power of sight has made basketball too easy, so he's whacked on a blindfold. Oh, he got it in! How'd he do that? Does he have daredevil powers? Did he use echolocation like a bat? Whenever I play basketball, I end up like this wanker. Yeah, with a ball mark on the face. Cut to kiteboarding and whammy mid-strength gear retrieved. You could set your Casio digital watch to this precision, although the problem with Paula...
That ass. I mean, come on.
You could set your Casio digital watch to this precision, although the problem with Paula is that she gives us common people hope. I take umbrage with that.
Meanwhile,
we see her perform magic and think, I'll give it a go. Defying gravity is a piece of piss. Next thing you know, you are on your ass. You got wet sand and jagged seashells up your crack, and your parachute has turned into a fucking SpaceX rocket. I just wanted to fly amongst the pelicans, you mutter. Instead, I'm stuck in this bog like a wounded mud crab. He has to have a wedgie.
Mud crab?
Surely. Oh, massive wedgie. He's going to be on an operating table, having his undies surgically removed, and thinking, I never should have tried kiteboarding. Hopefully he's got a receipt for his fancy new gear. The missus will 110% be like, I told ya, you always do this. You spend thousands of dollary dues on a new hobby.
Yeah, I kind of want to go back to
Paula.
Paula.
With a debilitating wedgie. And who's there to pick it, Steve? Who picks it out? Me. Okay, yeah, nah, he's done. He's going home. Big hoppy hop followed by a roly-poly. Wowee. We all want to tie our shoelaces like this guy. We do. Realistically, this is most of us. Our shoelaces are on fire while we're oblivious. Absolutely oblivious.
Yo.
Look at this cheeky Adonis. I want to make it clear he climbed a ladder while doing 360s in ripped jeans. Whoa. Now he's playing hacky sack. What the fuck? Oh, the ball is on his nose. Fair dinkum. He's like a seal.
This is bullshit.
Whenever us normal, unenhanced individuals do
fucking normies
do ladder tricks, it goes like this. Oh! Yeah, we end up concussed. Oh, ziplining to the nearest supermarket, easy peasy. We can all do that. From one average bastard to me fan base of average bastards, I reckon we can all... Oh, no. This is us, isn't it? We're both people simultaneously.
Hey, I've actually ridden on something similar to that when I was on the cruise. Luckily, I didn't get stuck like that, but I actually had fun.
We're the bloke who is stuck, and we're also the bloke who got stuck trying to save the bloke who is stuck. Come on, be a hero. Big push. 3, 2, 1. Oh, shit. Cue the song that we're on a road to nowhere, or a zip line to nowhere. Ah, yes. Harness the power of umbrella. Give him a pull. Nah, fucked it. This fella is practicing breakdancing in front of a decrepit building. He keeps spinning and spinning. He's like a perpetual fucking motion machine. He could power a whole city. He is a renewable source of clean energy. Meanwhile, this guy destroys like all of the greenhouse gases. When you see something like over-the-back putting wizardry in golf, naturally a mere mortal will want to do something similar. Instead, you fall on your ass and end up in
No!
Don't
Oh my
try
God!
that at home or anywhere.
Put down the fucking camera and get him out of the pond!
We can dream and think we're like this slick, cool, wedgie-less guy who has no time to wait for an escalator to transport him to the bottom. I descend on my terms. But in reality, we're all just this drunk bloke walking in the wrong direction. And that's okay, because he'll get there.
This has to be on a cruise at
the end.
I bet.
He'll get there.
All right, I'm done. Before I go even crazier, I gotta stop. But I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me this evening. I had fun. I hope you had fun too. I'm probably gonna check out either the plot hole or I'm gonna check out Pocket Watch with JT. I would check him out too. He's on Fake Guru Friday, so check him out. Hope to see you guys this weekend. I will be playing some more Dark Souls, but also we're gonna finish up Telling Lies as well over the weekend. I'm not doing shanties, please. I'm not doing shanties. Thank you guys again. Have a good night. Thank you to all of you who has super chatted everything. Oh, before I forget. I apologize for I want to do the super chats. Sam I am, thank you for being a member for 8 months. I am Sandra Ann Anderson. I doubt it. Doug Donahue, $20. Thank you very much. Who has jurisdiction on that lobster? Well, I think the two guys who caught it and were cooking it have jurisdiction over it. Some old dude, $5. Hey Artie. Hey yourself, some old dude. Good to see you, man. Kit190, $2. What's with walking up on a drive-thru? It usually is a sign that you're either drunk or you don't give a fuck. That's usually what happens. Taco Josh Gaming, thank you for being a member for a year. 12 months, 10K titties, that's 20 PS5s or Xbox Series X, or a mid-priced used car, or a high-priced hooker in a low-priced used car. I hear you, man. Some old dude, another $5. Thank you very much, man. I used to have to listen to a bus driver's tape player playing Nonstop Rush. I mean, I'm okay with that. And friggin' Pope, thank you for being a member for a year. What did your first check cost you? Everything. Yep, that's usually how it goes. You know what? On that note, guys, it's actually been a year. Or I guess it's been about a little more than a year since like this channel really started taking off. So, and hence the 12-month anniversary. So I want to thank you guys for being with me for this long. Oh, and on that note, for those of you who are still around, those of you who are members, I may need y'all's addresses. If you're a member of this channel, of my gaming channel, or you're a Patreon, I may need your addresses because you may be getting Christmas cards from me. It's a little bit of a project that I've been working on that I'm finally trying to get here to work on. So it's something special that I'm working on for you guys. Oh yes, Jassa and Twitch subs. Twitch subs, members of either my gaming channel, this channel, and Patreons. I will need y'all's addresses because you'll be getting some nice Christmas cards from me. I hope you'll enjoy what I have planned in store. So I'll keep on making that announcement in the next couple of live streams so that everybody gets the answer. So take a look at that. Send me that through Discord. Probably the best way of doing that. And yeah, thank you again. Have a good night, guys. Take care. Love y'all. Adios.
pimp, not a simp. A pimp, not a simp. A pimp, not a simp. We eat so many shrimp. I got iodine cards.
My bitch a choose it.